My video tutorial will provide you with help to remove the adware called PersonalProsper. PersonalProsper is a new adware from the AdLoad family. This adware, once installed, may start displaying a lot of intrusive advertisements while you surf the internet. PersonalProsper adware is spread through integration with many free programs. So in most of the cases, users download and install it absolutely unintentionally. If it was installed into your system, you need to undertake the measures and get rid of it. Right-click on this application and move it to the trash. Also, I recommend you to research the computer with Combo Cleaner. It can be found on the website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and start investigating your system with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.